showing you how my dad Willie made fish broth. It's got iron and helps your stomach when you got a stomach ache. We ate the fish, one left. Yeah. We got that cloth. Rinse the cloth off. Cheese cloth is good. But we got this, we're gonna use this.
So like bones, little bones don't go through.
For the bones.
You don't want.
You don't want
Okay.
the bones in your fish broth. Here's the fish bones. We got some juniper and rockroot. I use it for, it's good for diabetic, and I use it for energy. Got no energy, I drink that and I get energy.
This is done. Just throw it in the garbage.
Pot's clean now. Clean fish broth. Whoa.
Wow.
Should we add water?
No,
No.
never.
Never add water. Show us your cup, Abel.
I'm just winging it. I don't know. Anyway, start off like a pancake. Get all the bumps out first.
Get the bumps out first.
All the bumpy broth. Most of the bumps are out, see? A little bit.
You mix it real good if you wanted to.
Really good.
It's really perfect.
You could even put it in a jar and put water and just shake it for like 5 minutes. Just watch TV and shake it for a while.
Oh yeah.
And then it will go real sweet.
Like on TV how they do stuff. Chefs. Chef
My
America.
auntie used to do it. Yeah.
Oh, your auntie?
That's good. Good enough.
You want to spend all day on that?
No. Turn it up. I'm just going to turn it high so it goes fast.
Make it fast right away. Cook. Here's the whitefish from Bistro Lake.
Fish has no flavor, you want to add a good amount of salt. You can put
Fish has no flavor.
Well,
It does, but
salt makes
no
it
salt
best.
flavor. Salt makes it taste good. Let it boil and let it get thick first. Got it to a boil. Add the rest of the flour.
Not the rest of it. Just
Or-
till it's thick. Like
Oh, just not the rest of it.
you
Just
might
till
not
it's
even
thick.
need it all, see?
Oh, you might not need it all.
Probably won't.
No, you don't need it all, don't you?
It's just
Depends
like
how much water you got, eh? Fish broth?
You need a spoon to see like
Yeah.
how thick it's getting.
Oh, you need a spoon to how thick it's getting. That's
It's
not kind of
slowly-
watery.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Probably need it all. Might.
No, you don't want so much.
Oh, just so much, huh?
Kind of like wanted like stew, you know, when
Oh,
you
yeah.
make the broth.
Just perfect. Not too thick, not too thin, eh?
Your dad used to make the broth.
Looks good there. A little more, I think.
No, I think that's good. You can feel it.
Oh, yeah.
It's like silky. It's good.
Nice.
You can add more salt if you want.
You could add more salt?
Yeah, before you drink it. No, if you want, like in your
Oh,
own
if you
cup.
want. Oh, when you pour it in a bowl, you put more salt.
You could even just pour it in a cup and sip it.
Oh, you could put it in a cup, yeah.
It's good.
Gives you energy and iron.
Yeah, and it can alternate, like if you have a sore stomach and you can't eat,
Yeah,
you can drink fish broth, will help your stomach, it won't hurt.
yeah. What,
Just like,
how long would it be done? Till,
it's like done,
oh, yeah.
basically done.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good. Yes.
There's the fish broth. And the strainer. Fish broth is done.